One feature that is included with all Gradelink websites is a customizable announcement banner. Having an attention-grabbing banner on your site is a great way to draw attention to new programs, fundraising events, and open house events. It's easy to set up, and it includes a number of useful settings. For example, you can schedule a specific date and time for the banner to show up, as well as an automatic expiration date, which will save you time and effort remembering to take down the banner after your event is over. You can even set up multiple banners on your site for different purposes, like the example shown here. One banner can be placed at the top of the page to let parents know that enrollment is at full capacity, and another banner can be placed at the bottom of the page, announcing a new program at the school. Text, font, and colors can all be customized to help grab your audience's attention and effectively communicate your message.